Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Erica Lifestyle here, and yeah, welcome back to my channel. And today's vlog, it's another collaboration, it's another unboxing and review product from no other than the SimpleTone paper towel holder. So that's made it special because before I used to unbox with different like makeup products, but as of the moment at this juncture, at we gonna this is part of the kitchen apparatus. So this is one of the kitchen apparatuses. So thank you so much from SimpleTone and for choosing me and picking me for as one of your brand ambassadors. So yeah, so stay tuned, and all my fans and my subscribers, welcome back to my channel. And yeah, without any further ado, let's keep the ball rolling. And yeah, we're gonna unbox this one. And yeah, I'm so excited that I have this special kind of SimpleTone paper towel holder. So yeah, let's open this box. And yeah, this is their packaging, and it's there you go. It's a newest design one hand tier paper towel holder under cabinet or wall mount. So let's open this one. And yeah, I'm so excited. I already have one here in the kitchen, and this one is really totally different from my old one, and this would be perfect in my kitchen. So it's giving me a hard time to open this one. So yeah, it's right here, and so this is it. So I think this is the adhesive one where you can use either screw. This is right here for installation. There's a screw and another parts. So let's remove the plastics out from the back. So yeah, let's close this one and let's make it clean so that it would be easy. So yeah, there you go. And so I hope you guys have a wonderful day. This is one of the parts there, and this one, so it's this here SimpleTone. There you go. So I think this is gonna be like that. And this one, I think this is the adhesive one for installation. It has two options. You can install through the screw, and installation through this one adhesive. So you just put it here when you install. So this is the last part of the one hand tier paper towel holder. So yeah, this is the part. It's simple, and I think it's very easy to install this part here. So you just do like that, and there you go. Let me use the back for you to easy you can see it. So there, I think it's gonna be that way and like that. So, and then you're gonna sample. You can this part here, and there you go. See? So this is just, we're assuming that we're installing this part here. So here, see, easy. So ouch, so like that. So easy. So that's it. And let me read to you the details of this product. Okay, so just there you go. So this is what we call the newest design in one hand tier paper towel under cabinet all walnut. So you can put on your under of your cabinet this one hand tier paper towel hold, this kind of paper towel holder. So it's SimpleTome, and yeah, and the material, I had the white color. It's called simple white. They have 3 different kind of color. They have black also, and they have also chrome silver for this product. So what we have here, this is the simple white here. And yeah, for the information for everybody, and this product, the material that being used out from this is aluminum alloy plus ABS plastic plus torsion spring. So it has a torsion spring from this product. So yeah, so I super love it, this one, and it's one of useful apparatus in our kitchen, you know, and it's make our life easier, and not just, you know, to make you like right off the bat you have like dirty in your hands and you can just pull out your paper towel and then voila. So yeah, thank you so much, SimpleTome paper towel holder, and I super love this product, and I hope I can, you know, work more from you guys, and I'm pretty sure that SimpleTome has a lot to offer, not just this paper towel holder. Okay, so don't you worry, and if you would like to purchase this order, and I can put the link down in my description, and you will have, you know, a discount code, and I'll put in my description as well. So yeah, and once again, this has been Erica Lifestyle saying to you, and yeah, but before that, thank you so much for watching all the time on my video, and if you haven't subscribed on my video, please do me a favor to click the notification below, and so that in the future you can have more updates whenever, you know, I have premiere like every Monday and Tuesday. So yeah, thank you so much, and this has been Erica Lifestyle saying to you bye for now, and see you in my next vlog. Bye, and take care and stay safe. Bye.